want a darker shade, if you think this works, okay. So, but walk around with the same shade for some form of consistency, right? Okay. Next, we'll bring a call to action button here. So you tap on plus here, elements. Make sure you go to elements and go to buttons. Search for buttons. Great. Oopsies, sorry. Buttons. Great. That's it. So move. I'll use this. I'll bring it here. That's my call to action button. I'll extend it a bit. Right? And I'll change the color. Go this way, tap here, tap on this, and change the color. White. And I'm going to use the same font here, which is Glamour Gale. That's Open Sans. I'll just duplicate this, come here, and I tap on Edit. So I'm going to use Order Now. Right. I'll resize it. So to make it easy, sometimes my thumb gets in the way of a lot of these things. So I'll just zoom in, bring it down, tap on font size and reduce it. That way it makes it easy for me to work. If I zoom in, it's very easy. Even the tiny details, I can actually work on them and edit them, right? So I'll just centralize this, make sure it's in the center. Is it? Yeah, slightly. Okay, right? I'll zoom in again. I'll go to color and I'll choose my color. I'll choose my color. Great. You can see I'm working with shades of pink and purple, right? Okay. So what next? We are going to bring Instagram icon and WhatsApp icon because you want people to reach you. So you just get your social media handles out there. Tap here. Again, search for Instagram icon. And it's here already. It's in my search history. So I'll tap on it. Great. I'll pick this. Hold on to one end and resize it. Be sure it's not on your frame because the frame will take up what you place on it. So I'm going to move this slightly. So if you make a mistake, just tap the undo button there. So I'll zoom in because it's very easy for me to control when I zoom in. And I'll bring this here. That's a trick that works all the time. Just zoom in and you notice you can easily work, especially when you're working with the phone. It's much easier if you are using your laptop. So, right? Great. So I'll zoom in again and I would import WhatsApp icon or WhatsApp logo, whichever, right? So that's it. WhatsApp, tap here. WhatsApp for business. Again, I'll zoom in and resize it. That's a very easy trick. Just zoom in and you can actually control your icons and letters and stuff, right? So it's a bit too big. So I'll resize it again. Same as your Instagram icon over there. So just take it up there. Make sure it's in the center. Great. So zoom in again. Can you see? Okay. Okay, I'm just going to tap here on the text. I'll duplicate it because I want to use the same text. Bring it down, edit, and use add Glamour Gold Cakes. Great. You can reduce the size of your text or increase it. Just go to font size and reduce it. Great. Resize this. I'll change the color to white. I think it's more visible. Great. Oops, there's a mistake there. It's supposed to be glamour gold. So I'll just edit that at glam. Right. Can you see that? Glamour gold cakes. Okay, so I'll do the same with the number. I'll just duplicate, hold on to this point, and I'll tap on edit. I'll just get her number there. 08062912855. Okay, so we put it this way so everything is in line, right? Great. So the next thing we'll do here, we'll like to put some likes, like Instagram likes on this flyer. You tap here, go to elements and search for Instagram likes. Yeah, you can actually search for a lot here. Let's type it out there. Great. Can you see? You can use these, you can use any one of them. I'll just choose these. I'll zoom in so I can resize properly. Great. Did you notice how I tilted this cake? I can decide to tilt it or bring it this way. Sorry. I'll zoom in again so I can work with it properly. I can decide to tilt this one this way. Just hold on to it and tilt it this way or this way. So it depends on what you want. So I'll just resize this again and I'll tilt it this way. So it's very playful, right? Okay. So you see the Instagram likes, just take it to this point. I'll just take it here. I'll tilt it a bit, tap on this and just, right? And you reduce the size. Fantastic. Just duplicate because you want to spread them around. Tap here and bring it down. You can just spread them around, reduce the size, play around with this positioning. You can decide to, put it this way, duplicate that again. Remember, when you're duplicating, you get exactly what you are duplicating. So can you see that? Just spread them around, zoom in. You want it this way. Yeah. Can you see? It's so beautiful. Walk around with colors, walk around with positioning. Just let your imagination run wild. Right. If you don't want this, you want to replace with maybe a picture in your gallery, just tap here and go to uploads here. And you see a lot, you can upload a picture into your gallery and use any of that. But I decided to use a picture in Canva picture library. So you can put a lot if you want, but I think I like it simple, straight to the point. So once you're done and everything is fine, just tap the arrow here and you save your image, preparing your designs, and that's it. Ta-da! You can decide to share to any of your social media handles. Right, and it saves right into your gallery. Well done. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see all the beautiful designs you will create. Let your imaginations run